When starting a new project in Revit, the first step is to create the levels for the intended model. The typical architecture template in a new file generates by default two plan views, two ceiling views, and four elevation views. Levels should be created in one of the elevation views. To do that, just click on any of the four elevation views. Creating levels in elevation views in Autodesk Revit is an essential part of the building design process, allowing you to accurately place and align elements in your project. You can place levels at different heights to represent different floor levels or other important heights in your building design. Here's how to create levels and elevation views. As you can see on the screen, there are already two pre-created levels the template provides. By default, level 1 will be the 0 level and level 2 will be above level 1 by 4 meters. We will use the existing levels as a start point in creating all the levels we need in our project. To access the Level Creation tool, go to the Architecture tab on the ribbon. In the Datum panel, click on the Level button. This will activate the Level Creation tool. Click on the elevation view at the location where you want to place the new level. You can specify the desired height by moving your mouse till the intended level, or you can just type the desired distance with the keyboard. Remember that you can always modify the levels in a later stage. Repeat the above steps to create additional levels in the elevation view as needed. To modify the properties of a level in the elevation view, select the level by clicking on it. In the Properties palette, you can change the level name, height, and other properties to suit your project requirements. Let's rename the level 2 and make it first floor. Let's also change its height from 4 meters to 3.5 meters. Aligning the start point and the end point of all levels will bind all levels together, so as when you attempt to move one level to the left or the right, all other levels will follow in suit. As you can see, using the grip points and pulling the level line is the easiest way to achieve alignment of levels. Notice also how when the blue dotted line appears, the level line will automatically lock to all aligned levels. Another way to create levels is to use the Copy command in the Modify panel. Let us delete the levels we created and start all over again using the Copy command. Select Level 2 by clicking on it with the mouse. Choose the Copy command and check the preferences you will need to create your levels. You can use a single copy or multiple copies if you are creating more than one additional level. Hover over the selected level till the X shape appears to give it one mouse click. Start dragging the newly copied level in the desired direction with the intended distance. Remember that you can always modify the height of the level later if you don't want to be accurate during the copy process. After copying the desired number of levels, you can modify the distances between all levels. Just click on any level and modify the distance between it and the previous level by typing the desired value. You will notice that the newly created levels by the Copy command have a black color and not blue one as the original levels. You will also notice that no plans or seating levels were created in the project browser corresponding to the newly created level. Don't worry, by a simple step you can correct this issue. Just go to the View tab and under it click on the Plan Views button. Under it click on Floor Plans, then choose the levels you want to create plan views for. You can see now that all created levels have corresponding plan views with the same name. Repeat the last steps to create ceiling views also. Now that you have finished creating your model levels, you are ready to start creating your model in the plan views. In the next episode, we will start creating our first plan based on the created levels. See you soon.